Good morning students. Welcome to maths class. I hope properties of determinants are clear to all of you. Today we will discuss new topic, applications of determinants in coordinate geometry. In earlier classes you have already studied about area of triangle ABC whose vertices are x1 y1, x2 y2 and x3 y3. Then area of triangle ABC is given by an expression 1/2 into x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. Now this expression can be written in the form of determinant. See here. It can be written as half determinant with entries x1 y1, x2 y2, x3 y3 and last column is 1 1 1. The value of this determinant is equal to the above expression. So area of triangle ABC can be found out with the help of determinants by using half into determinants with the entries x1 y1 which is the first coordinate A of the triangle ABC, x2 y2, x3 y3 and last column is 1 1 1. Now just calculate the value of the determinant. You see that both the expression are same. So I am just simplifying it. Half as it is. Expand this along R1. One by two as it is. First term is x1. Delete first row, first column. We get y2 into 1, y2 minus y3 into 1, y3. Now next element is y1. So I am writing here y1 with negative sign because when we expand along R1, signs will be plus minus plus. Now delete first row, second column and take the determinant of the remaining elements. We get x2 into 1 x2 minus x3 into 1 x3. Now last term is plus 1 into delete first row and third column. We get x2 y3 minus x3 y2. Now just rearrange this expression according as above expression. What we have, see here, 1/2 x1 into y2 minus y3. Now taking x2 common. So I am taking x2 common plus x2. What we get? y3 minus y1. Our next term is taking x3 common, minus minus plus, x3 common. So what we get? We get y1 minus y2. Now just check this answer is same as above expression. Half into x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 y3 minus y1 plus x3 y1 minus y2. So both the expressions are same. So area of triangle ABC with vertices A, B and C can be found out by using this formula, which is in terms of determinant. Now we will discuss some of the questions related to area of triangle ABC. Before discussing an example related to area of triangle, we will discuss some of the important points related to the topic. We already know that area of triangle ABC with vertices x1, y1, x2, y2 and x3, y3 is half into the value of the determinant, which is written as x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3 and third column is 1, 1, 1. Now we know that area is always a positive quantity. So we take absolute value of the determinant in equation 1. We already know that area is always a positive quantity. So we have to take numerical value only. We have to take positive sign only. We have to take absolute value of the determinant only for writing the answer of area of triangle ABC. For example, suppose if the value of the determinant is equal to minus 30, then area of the triangle ABC is equal to 30 square unit. Means you have to take absolute value only. You have to take numerical value only. Now, second point. If area is given, in the question, if area is given, then you have to use both positive and negative values of determinant for calculation. Means, if area is given, suppose area of triangle ABC is equal to 5 square unit. Then you have to use this expression. When you use this expression, write the value of the determinant is equal to plus minus 5. Means you have to use both positive and negative value of the determinant for calculation. Let's see one of the example related to area of triangle. Find area of triangle whose vertices are 3, a, minus 4, 2 and 5, 1. We know that the formula for area of triangle using determinant. Area of triangle with the given vertices is equal to half into determinant with entries 3, 8, which is the first vertex of triangle, minus 4, 2, which is the second vertex of the triangle, and 5, 1, which is third vertex of the triangle. Now all entries in the third column are 1, 1, 1. We have to just calculate the value of the determinant, multiply it with 1 by 2 and we get the area of triangle. So simplify the given determinant. Just expand it along R1. 1 by 2 as it is. We have to expand along R1. So consider first element of R1, which is 3. Leave first row, first column and take second order determinant of the remaining entries. What we get? 2 1 ja 2 minus 1 1 ja 1. Now next element is 8. Sign will be negative just eliminate first row and second column and simplify second order determinant. Second order determinant is -4, 1, 5, 1. In the same way, last element is 1, taking positive sign with it. Just leave first row and third column. Now write the second order determinant by using remaining entries. -4, 2, 5, 1. Now simplify the second order determinant. We get -4 into 1, -4, -5 into 1, 5, plus 1, -4 into 1, -4, -5 into 2, 10. Now just simplify it. 3 into 1, -8 into -9, plus -14. What we get? 1/2 into 3 minus 7 plus 3 plus 72 minus 14. 72 plus 3 75. 75 minus 14 is equal to 61/2 square unit. So area of the triangle whose vertices are 3, 8, -4, 2 and 5, 1 is 61/2 square unit. Now we will discuss one more application of determinant. With the help of determinant, we can check collinearity of 3 points. Collinearity means points lie on the same line. If you have to check any 3 points are collinear or not, you can check with the help of determinant. Now we will find condition for checking collinearity of 3 points. If we have 3 points A, B, C and these are collinear, then the area of triangle ABC must be equal to 0. That implies area of triangle ABC is equal to 0. And we can find out area of triangle ABC with the help of determinant. So write the formula. We have half into value of the determinant with entries x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3. Just write down the first point, coordinate of the first point, coordinate of the second point, coordinate of the third point. And third column is 1, 1, 1. Area of triangle is equal to 0 if 3 points are collinear. From this we get 2 into 0 is equal to 0. So we get the value of the determinant with entries x1, y1, 1, x2, y2, 1, x3, y3, 1 is equal to 0. So this will be the condition for checking if 3 points A, B, C with coordinates x1, y1, x2, y2 and x3, y3 are collinear or not. Let's see one of the example based on collinearity of 3 points. You have to show 3 points A, B, C are collinear. We know that if 3 points are collinear, then they must lie on the same line. It means area of triangle formed by ABC must be equal to 0. It means the value of the determinant which is formed by using coordinates of the points is 0. So use the coordinates of the point A, B and C. Coordinates of the point A are A and B plus C. Coordinates of the point B are B and C plus A. Coordinates of the point C are C and A plus B. And all the entries in third column are 1, 1, 1 is equal to 0. So, for checking the collinearity of 3 points, we have to check the value of this determinant is equal to 0. So, let us consider this determinant. So, determinant formed by using coordinates of the given points is, write the coordinates of the first point, which are A, B plus C. Write the coordinates of the second point B are B, C plus A. Write the coordinates of the point C, which are C, A plus B. All the entries in third column are 1, 1, 1. Now, we have to find the value of this determinant. For simplifying it, you can apply operations or you can solve it by expanding. Here, we apply operation C1 changes as C1 plus C2. Just apply the operation. We get C1 plus C2. So add corresponding entries. A plus B plus C. A plus B plus C. In the same way, A plus B plus C. All other columns are same. B plus C, C plus A plus B, 1, 1, 1. Now, just take out common factor outside. Taking common, A plus B plus C common from C1, column 1. Write the common factor outside the determinant. In column 1, all entries are 1, 1, 1. Second column and third column remain as it is. B plus C, C plus A plus B. 1, 1, 1. Now, C1 and C3 are same. All the entries in column 1 and column 3 are same. So, value of the determinant is 0. Value of the determinant is 0. Because you can write reason here. Column 1 is equal to column 3. And in any determinant, if any two rows or any two columns are same, then the value will be 0. So, we get A plus B plus C into 0 is equal to 0. That implies A, B, C, 3 points are collinear. Because area of triangle is equal to 0. Next question is, find the value of K if area of triangle is 4 square units and vertices are minus 2, 0, 0, 4 and 0, K. So let's start the question. Here we have given area of triangle with vertices is equal to 4 square unit. And we know that area of triangle with the given vertices is equal to half into determinant with the entries Write the coordinates of first vertex minus 2, 0. Write the coordinates of second vertex 0, 4. Write the coordinates of third vertex 0, k. All the entries in third column are 1, 1, 1. Now from equation 1 and from 2 we get area of triangle in the form of determinant is equal to 4 square unit. But here we have to do calculations, and for calculation we use positive and negative both values. So we take plus and minus both signs here. Now just simplify left hand side and calculate the value of k. Expand the given determinant along C1. We get 1 by 2 as it is. First entry is minus 2 because we are expanding along column 1. We take first entry minus 2. Delete first row and first column and write the all entries as it is, which is equal to plus minus 4. Simplify the left hand side. Simplify the left hand side. 2 to 2 cancel out. We get minus 1 into 4 minus k. Product of diagonal minus product of non-diagonal, which is equal to plus minus 4. We get minus 4 plus k is equal to plus minus 4. From here we get minus 4 plus k is equal to 4 and minus 4 plus k is equal to minus 4. So we get 4 plus 4 is equal to 8 and k is equal to minus 4 plus 4 is equal to 0. So we get k is equal to 0 and 8. This is the answer for the given question. In this way, we can calculate area of triangle ABC and we can find condition for collinearity of 3 points A, B, C using determinants. Now, what is the formula for finding area of triangle ABC with vertices A, B and C is 1 by 2 into determinant with entries using the coordinates of the points A, B and C. We have x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3 and all entries in third column are equal to 1. This is the formula for finding area of triangle ABC. Now, what is the condition for collinearity of 3 points A, B, C with coordinates x1, y1, x2, y2 and x3, y3? If 3 points are collinear, then area of triangle ABC must be equal to 0. So, condition for collinearity of 3 points is area of triangle ABC must be equal to 0. Or we can say the value of the determinant with entries x1, y1, 1, x2, y2, 1, x3, y3, 1 is equal to 0. By using these formulas, we can find area of triangle ABC. We can find condition for collinearity of 3 points. That's all for today. Thank you for watching the video.